Hello, my art viewers. Welcome to my channel, The Art of Inside Impressions. So, today we are going to deal with another interesting topic. So, this is simple art tutorial. So, simple outline art tutorial. And this is artist Bhavna here. And today we are going to see a simple girl facing other side. So, I'm using zero point 0.7 mechanical pencil of Faber-Castell brand. So it is preferred to use zero point 0.5 pencil or zero point 0.7 mechanical pencil, or if you don't have any mechanical pencil, it is absolutely fine. You can use 2B or HB or normal Apsara or Natraj pencil. There is no issue because we are drawing simple outline. There is no issue because you don't need to shade. So if you want to add extra shading and all like me, you can use the other grade pencil. So in every video I'll be saying that you can afford buying. If you are beginner, you can buy and you can test Camlin pencil set, which is just 50 rupees. So trial and error, so it's okay, you can try everything. So it is just 50, you can afford it, so do give a try. And here you can see how I'm doing one by one. So I'm filling the gaps, so I'm coming slowly from left to right. And if you start from top, there is no rule that you should do in that direction only, but make yourself comfortable and do observe things which will help you to make your process easy and make your art interesting. So don't be afraid of doing or taking new steps, but do enjoy in taking new steps. So every step is really appreciative and interesting, and you can learn many things from new steps. So yeah, that is the art and that is the knowledge you'll gain from the new things, and that will be really helpful. So do learn yourself. That is again a interesting thing. Do learn and don't ask for help. Learning yourself means you can see, you can watch YouTube videos, you can watch other pictures, and you can watch other artist work, and you can grab few things and you can grab few tricks. Do observe the things so that you can get more insights and you can improve your artwork. And if you observe outline, my outline is almost ready. So this is my initial outline. You can see how many lines I have drawn here. So you can see many adjustments. You can see 2 lines, 3 lines, 4 lines. So it doesn't matter, getting the correct outline will matter. So don't shy and don't feel that array this is not coming, array I don't like my artwork. So always motivate yourself and always do that, because you are the only one who will get the things and you will learn the things. So this is the trick of doing the hair braid. Just do attach in between, so that is your braid, and filling inside it is just optional, but I'll do to make this artwork more beautiful. So enhancing will help you to bring up your artwork. It's realism, but we are not dealing with realism now, just initial outline, but making few fillings and shadings will really enhance things. So I'll just add lines and all to look great. So why you want to add or why you want to make shading? This will be your question, but I want to answer this question because initial outline will not show any difference. Once you start shading, it will show the major difference and parts where you need to focus a lot. So with shading only, the things will come up and it will show your realistic output. So if you observe carefully here, if we leave this art only with outline, it will look embarrassing or it will look weird. but when you start filling and when you start adding the clothes design etc and adjustments and the braid inside, if you start filling, it will look really beautiful, and it will also say that you have invested lot of interest and efforts. So the time will take more. So our initial outline took like 5 minutes, but filling and all may take more 4 to 5 minutes. It's okay. It's okay. There is no timer, and don't rush on things. So filling is interesting part. So if you do this, you will feel happy. And outline is really little bit tough if you are beginner, but filling is interesting for kids, people who are beginners also. So once you do outline, do fill it with just shading here and there, just few lines, but it will matter a lot. You can see how our air is looking, how it is enhancing. So after filling, it is looking like real, almost real, not hyperrealistic hair. I'm talking about just real, not realism but just real. Okay, so this is how it will enhance and it will matter a lot. So do try filling. So if you are into acrylics or normal color pencils or just normal crayons, you can fill it. So you can grab black crayon and you can fill in hair and skin color for hand and all. Clothes you can design, you can decorate with stars and all. So if like some will also do, they'll cut few pieces of cloth and they'll stick. So there are many ways to fill in, but just normal idea I'm giving. So you can fill in this way, or your favorite choice is yours. So the door is open and you can come on, you can fill in. So first initial outline you learn. So here I want to add few little stars, you can see. So just few stars, I'll speed up the process, and in this way I added stars. So if you want to start with circles, rectangles, triangles etc, you can do it. And some will also like Dalmatian dots and all. So Mickey Mouse outfit, it's okay, up to you. But here and there do something, it will look great, great. Okay, and this is her waist, and I want to add few two little knots here. Okay, yeah, this will enhance, so it is looking beautiful, cute, right? Little hangings to it, so it may be not visible, but if you choose other outfit, these tiny little threads also will be visible. So in this way we enhance it. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to tap the bell icon. So bell icon is the most important part, and you should not miss any updates, any. So stay tuned, help me to reach more, and thank you so much for your love and respect which I got from the previous videos. So it is really amazing response. Thanks a lot, and my shorts are also running very good. So I almost got 1.8k views, and thanks for it, and stay safe, stay healthy.